Keyana.
And I'm Kenya.
And today we're back with another video. But before we get into it, we just have a few announcements. Take it away.
Love the intro, Keyana. Love the intro.
So guys, first we wanted to thank all of our new subscribers for joining the Vaughn Twins family. We are so excited to have you. Please do not forget to click the bell twice, y'all. You have to click it twice so that you are notified via email whenever we post a new video.
That is correct.
Also, we wanted to let you guys know that we are Vaughn Twins on all of our social media accounts. So that's Instagram, Facebook,
Snapchat,
Tumblr. What else?
I think that's it.
Everything though.
Oh, Twitter.
Twitter, yes. So I want to make sure that you're following us on all of our social media accounts because as the year progresses, we are going to be posting giveaways on one or all of our social media accounts or platforms. That's correct. Yes. So we do not want you guys to miss out. So without further ado, today Kenya and I are doing a January favorites video. These are probably one of our favorite videos to do because we get the opportunity to show you guys all of the things that we have been like lusting or loving for that past month. Yeah. Just all of the things that we've gravitated towards. So, I mean, of course, we love you guys. Y'all are our family. So we want to show you guys. Yeah, we want to show you guys as well. Yep. So if you all are interested in watching, then let's get it. Let's go. Okay, so the first product that Kenya and I want to show you guys is something that we've been absolutely loving. It has helped us do our makeup. Yes. It has helped us in our day-to-day, like just getting dressed and things of that nature. Every girl needs this. Every girl needs this. And what it is our impressions mirror. Yes. We absolutely love these things, guys, and we're going to show you the reason why. Let's just go on ahead and demo what this baby does.
Let's do it, Kenya.
Yes, let's go. If you guys do not see that, it is basically a personal vanity that you can carry around with you. You can travel with this thing, and the great thing about it is that the lighting on here, it goes from high to low. So if you continue to press the button on the bottom there, then it will dim itself, and then if you tap it, it'll turn itself off. Yep. So this thing is amazing. It has the 3 mirrors, the large one on the middle and then the 2 on the side. It has a stand there, so you can just prop this baby up on, I don't know, maybe your nightstand or your coffee table or your bathroom sink and do your makeup. Yep. And another great thing that I love about this is that it kind of has like doors. So it is a 3-way mirror, and that's really amazing about this. But if you want to look at it like shutters or doors or whatever, it closes. And I have the white, Kenya has the gray. Yeah, and they are very user-friendly, guys. They come with the cord in the back. Yes. And they also have a battery pack here. Yes. So when you're traveling and you're on the go, you don't necessarily have to use the cord. That's right. You can just put 4 AA batteries in here and keep it moving. Keep it moving. Yeah. All right, so the next product we're gonna show you all is Luxme. Luxme, y'all, this stuff is the truth. Now, we did talk about this in a past video, guys, and we were just kind of introducing the Luxme product to you. Y'all, this has been a staple in our skincare regimen. It is one that we cannot go without. We use this in the morning and at night before we go to bed. When I tell you guys that during these winter months, as you know, it gets extremely dry. Even here in Texas, it gets really cold because it's cold. Yeah, like right now, it's like in the 30s or something. Yeah, a low of like 15 or 20 degrees or something like that. So it's very crucial that you find something that's very hydrating for your skin, and this has been a lifesaver for us. Luxme, if you guys are unfamiliar with this product, we're gonna put the link to the video where we talked about this product specifically up here or up here. Yeah, up here. It'll also be in the description box. Yeah, you guys go ahead and check that video out, but you wanna, man, if you suffer from dry skin, get this. Guys. It helped us. And just to clarify what this is, it's pure Nilotica milk. Nilotica is a form of shea. It actually is a shea butter, but it's one of the more pure forms of shea butter. So like Kenya said, if you want more information on this product, then go on ahead and click the link in the description box below. Yes. Alright guys, next on the list is a product that probably almost everyone can relate to. The reason is because it can be used for various things, and that is the rescue.
Oh Jesus!
The rescue.
100 reasons.
Yes,
100
that is
for this.
right. That is coconut oil, guys. This one is organic coconut oil. I picked it up from Sprouts. It comes in a 15-ounce jar. But I tell you guys that this has helped my skin like no other. As you guys know, we've stated it in our previous videos that Keyana and I suffer from dry skin
and
such as eczema. And
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's crazy because eczema will make your skin do things like crack, peel, make it scaly, things of that nature. And you can't use regular lotions with skin that's prone to eczema. You need something that is super nourishing and hydrating. And when I tell you guys that coconut oil has absolutely done the trick for me, it really has. So what I do is I literally lather my entire body up with this when I get out of the shower, and then also when I wake up in the morning before, you know, I get ready to put my clothes on to get started with my day. The only thing is you want to watch out for this because it does get a little greasy, and there may be a little bit excess just because it's so greasy. So you probably want to like towel blot your body down when you're finished using this. Again, because you don't want to get the oil and the greasy stuff all over your clothes. But I will say that this has absolutely saved my skin during the month of January. So the product that I have been loving for your skin is this Avalon Organics Therapy Hand Lotion. Now what this is the Eczema Relief Intensive Cream. And I absolutely love this because, as Kenya stated already, we have eczema. And so it's been very difficult for me to find a lotion to carry around like in my purse or just to have at work that's going to be extremely nourishing. And so I found this at Sprouts. It is also at Whole Foods if any of you all are interested. And gosh, like it's just so nourishing.
It is.
It has, it's hypoallergenic, but it has 1.5% of oatmeal in it. And I was like, oh, okay, well that's cool because I know oatmeal tends to be a bit soothing, right? So that's why I picked it up. It has a very nice scent to it, and then it also has a very thick consistency. And so for me, I was like, I'm kind of sold because I think that things that have like lotions with a very thick consistency is really good for my eczema.
Right.
Some of them can be really good for my eczema. Pick this up if you like. It is a 3 fluid ounce container here, and again, it is found at Sprouts and Whole Foods. It was about $8 or $9, but it is well worth it. I promise you. And you don't have to use a lot. You only need a dime size amount in the palm of your hand. Rub it on there, and you're good to go. That's right. Yeah. So guys, next product I'll be showing you is the Primal Pit Paste. Now, I started researching the Primal Pit Paste or just a natural deodorant in general a couple months ago because of course most of you all know that aluminum has been said to be linked to cancer. And so I've been on this whole natural kick. I'm turning over a new leaf this year and I'm trying, pray for me guys, to go vegetarian from pescatarian. And so with that being said, I just wanted to do a complete change within my total lifestyle and become more natural. Now, I really like this Primal Pit Paste because it is a very smooth. It has baking soda in it, that's kind of the base of it. It's like shea butter and baking soda. However, it is a very smooth texture type of deodorant. It doesn't bother me that it is in a jar. I just scoop it out with my finger, you know, early in the morning and put it on. It does go on again very smooth. Now this is the level 3 deodorant. Primal Pit Paste has level 1, 2, and 3, and that is the level of strength. I need a level 3 because I sweat like a man, okay? So I know some of y'all can relate. Yes, man, yes. And I work
especially living here in Texas.
Oh gosh, yeah.
I mean, you have over 100-degree days like consistently throughout the entire season.
Yeah,
it's crazy.
But you know, I'm always in the gym, and so I really needed something that was going to keep me dry, you know, and then also keep the odor down, you know. You know what I'm saying? You know. But the scent that this is called Coconut Lime. For me, I found that this is one of the best scents, you know, just in my opinion. But you guys, if you're looking for a natural deodorant, please pick this up. So keep in mind that a little bit really does go a long way. You only need a pea size, and you just put it on, and if you feel that you need to like touch up
then touch up. They also have a spray deodorant on their website. So pick that up if you're interested. But I am thoroughly loving this. Thoroughly. Oh, yeah. So thank you. And I picked this up from Whole Foods. Yes. I've not seen it in the Sprouts, but I picked it up from Whole Foods. Yeah.
Alright guys, so what I have also been loving during the month of January is the Micellar Cleansing Water by Simple. This is it here. It's in a very, very small bottle. It's actually a 1.9 ounce bottle here. And I got it from Target, but it's basically just a cleansing water. So I use this after I take off my makeup with my makeup wipes. And I use this after I do that. And then I get into the shower and I, wash and all that other stuff. But
so you use it like a toner?
I use it like a toner, yeah, because I also use this in the morning time. After I wash my face, I use this. When you finish washing your skin with your cleanser or whatever it is that you have, sometimes the cleanser can be very drying. Yeah. But with this here, it's a cleansing water, but it's very hydrating. So I have absolutely been loving this. Again, you can find this in Target in the travel section. That's where I picked it up.
So the next product that I have been absolutely loving is the, my gosh, the Chanel number 5.
Oh my goodness!
This stuff is bomb, you guys. I got this for Christmas from my mama. I love you, mama.
Man, that's
let's just spray some on right now.
That's the truth. That is the truth. Man, that perfume.
Like,
if you guys have not smelled Chanel number 5, please go smell it.
The premiere though. Now, this is a, let's see. Okay, so this is a 3.4 fluid ounce bottle, and it retails for about $90 to $100, I believe. But you guys, when I tell you, it is well worth the money.
You don't need to use a lot.
No, you don't.
It smells like a long way.
Powder.
It does.
It smells like baby powder.
And everywhere that she goes, whenever she wears that, females that's around her will always compliment, like, oh my goodness, what's that smell? What's that smell? It smells like baby powder. I smell baby powder. What is that? Where's that coming from?
Yeah. It's almost like baby powder mixed with some sort of citrus scent.
Right.
It's nice, you guys. And this is a very popular scent. Now,
it is.
I don't know if you all know, but Chanel does have an older number 5. It's just like the original Chanel number 5. And I like that one too, but this one tends to be a little bit more fresh and more of a younger scent to me. So compare the two and then see which one you gravitate more towards. Exactly. Yeah, but y'all.
Everybody I love it. My younger sister loves it.
My mother went and bought it.
She went and bought it. Yeah, like
after she bought it for me and smelled it, she went and bought it. She was like, Keyana, that smells so good.
Like everybody that we introduce it to, they're like, oh my gosh, I had no idea.
Yes.
And the reason is because it's very easy to get confused because of all of the different fragrances that Chanel has. Chanel has been around forever. You guys know that. So there's quite a few scents that they released, but this one is one of the newer ones, and Chanel, you
nice.
Man, you did your thing on that one.
You did that.
Yes.
So last but not least, from my product anyway, you guys, I went and picked up this Godiva hot chocolate. Now, I got the idea of this from my mother. She found it, and when Kenya and I were home in Cleveland for the holidays, we had some at our house, and I had to get it as soon as I got back here to Dallas. I picked this up from Macy's. It retails for about $15. That may seem like a lot for a hot chocolate, but to me, it's well worth it. Like, it's so good, y'all. It's so smooth, right?
Oh my goodness.
Now, most hot chocolates only taste good when you drink it with milk. This, however, tastes good when you drink it with milk or water. And I tend to put half milk, and mind you, I drink Rice Dream, so it's not even real milk. But I tend to use half milk and half water, just because, any type of milk you drink has calories in it, so I'm always trying to cut down on the calorie intake, right? So I do that, and then I put a couple scoops of this into, my water or milk or both, and it is so good. It's like the perfect treat, you guys.
It is.
Now the one that I got is dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate stuff. I don't really like milk chocolate. However, they do have a milk chocolate one too. Milk chocolate to me seems to be a little bit more sweet. Milk chocolate, anything is more sweet than dark chocolate. So yeah, so I got the dark chocolate. And again, you can find it at Macy's and it retails for $15. However, you can't use a coupon. I did.
Right. Gotta stay up on those discounts, y'all.
Yeah, man. Yeah, love this.
So, the last thing that I have been absolutely loving during the month of January, guys, is my Beats headphones. Now, I received these for Christmas. I had no idea how much I was gonna love them, but I fell in love like immediately. The reason is because they're wireless. These are it right here, and they literally wrap around your neck like so. The great thing is that they, again, are wireless, so you don't have to worry about any cords or wires and whatnot. You can stick them inside of your ear. They have earbuds right here, then they also have a clamp, so it fits into your ear very snug and very comfortably. Now, the reason why I've absolutely fallen in love with these is because, as you guys know, it's cold outside. And the last thing that you want to have to worry about amongst carrying your bag or your purse or any other things that you might have in your hand is trying to make sure that your phone is plugged into your headphones so that you can continue to talk on the phone in 0-degree weather, y'all.
Yeah, you have a big coat on. You know, you want to keep your gloves on and have your hands in your pockets.
It's just, it gets to be too much. Just too much. And so wireless headphones has been a lifesaver for me because all I had to do is tuck my phone into my purse, make sure that these are connected to my phone via Bluetooth, which is how they work, and then go. So I absolutely love these Beats headphones. What was that? I know. That was cute.
So thank you so much for watching this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
And also, go ahead and follow us on all of our social media platforms. It is Vaughn Twins on Facebook,
Twitter, Tumblr,
and Twitter.
and Snapchat. Right, Snapchat, Instagram, all of the above, guys.
Yeah, so again, thank you so much. We truly appreciate you guys, and we love it when you all comment on our videos and just engage in the things that we're putting out to you guys. Let us know if there are other videos that you all would like to see, because we would absolutely love to film them for you.
Yeah, and also if there are any products that you have been absolutely loving during the month of January, make sure that you comment below and let us know.
Yeah, and we would love to try it.
Yeah, we would love to try them. Yeah.
So until next time, guys, bye.